My background is in mental health and youth development. I had no idea the world of horticulture exists the way that it does, and I had someone, they hired me for a past job and said, hey, I think you'd be a really good fit for this. It's the executive director of Seed Your Future, and I said, but I killed every plant that I have. Are you sure that I need to be in this industry? And she said, you know people, you know students, you know workforce development, you know outreach. That's what Seed Your Future needs. As the executive director, I'm leading the direction of the work that we are doing, connecting with middle school, high school, and college students, making them aware of horticulture as an industry, talking about the plant jobs, but then also you can be an accountant, you can do communications, you can be a lawyer in this industry. No one's talking about that, and we want to be able to be that voice for industry and all those jobs. Every meeting that we always have students there to tell us a little bit about what their passions are, how they want to learn, what they want from an employer. So these employers can hear that and they can tailor their jobs and their recruiting efforts to this next generation. So it's very important to have universities at the table for us. People say be a doctor, be a lawyer. No one says be a horticulturist. No one says, and these are all the things that you can do within this industry working directly with the plants, but then also in logistics. You can be a truck driver, you can be a graphic designer, you can be in marketing, right? Those are all careers that are equally important to make this industry successful. Just want to encourage parents, teachers, students to visit the Seed Your Future website, which is seedyourfuture.org, or call us. Email us if they have questions, info@seedyourfuture.org.